Always remember, when you put all your heart and soul into a dream or into a goal, and when you do all the processes and when you raise all your vibration, the universe is going to deliver your dreams for sure. You are going to manifest it for sure.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hello, Awesome Nation. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Now, I want to share a success story. So, one thing you need to understand, and this success story is all about being committed, being patient, having trust, having faith, having the trust in the universe. And always remember, when you put all your heart and soul into a dream or into a goal, and when you do all the processes and when you raise all your vibration, the universe is going to deliver your dreams for sure. You are going to manifest it for sure. That's what going to work for you. But sometime you may not see the manifestation happening right away. The moment you start doing it, or the way or at the time you are expecting it, may not happen at that time. And don't get disheartened. Have the faith, and when you go ahead, that's where it started happening. Once you work with the universe, once you put all your energy, the universe is going to deliver your dreams for sure. Sometimes it takes like 1 month time, and sometimes it may take 1 year of time. The reason can be many. Maybe you are not in the vibrational alignment, maybe your energy is not yet aligned, maybe the things that you want to manifest is not yet fully ready. So I want to share this story with you. This one girl who was going through one of our paid programs, and she has gone through this program almost a year back, and during that time she wanted to manifest her dream job, and because of some negative things that happened in her job, she has to quit her earlier job, and she was at that point she was jobless and she was unemployed, and that's the point she was going through a lot of negativity. And she joined one of our program, and she said like, AJ, I want to manifest my dream job. And when she started following the tools and techniques and processes during the program, she actually started feeling lot more positivity. She actually started feeling magical and strong. And during that time only, she attracted a job from a company that she always wanted to work. And this dream job came to her. She went for the interview went really very well, and everything was set, and it seems to be she's going to manifest this job, and she's just waiting for the offer letter. But she did not heard from them, and for next few months she did not heard from them. She tried to know the status, but they said it's on hold, or it's waiting, or she did not get anything. So when you do everything, and she was doing all the processes, all the tools, all the techniques, everything, but things were not moving. Like everything was done, but manifestation, the final manifestation was not happening. So she was a bit confused for a while, and she was a bit sad for a while. But then I said, see, you have to, if you have done everything right, you need to trust the universe. You have given all your energy, all your dreams, all your focus to the universe. Now it's time for universe to deliver you. Sometimes it may take time, because maybe the things that you are expecting from the job is not yet ready there, or something is there which is not going to give you the positive experience that you want to have. And probably that is why the universe is holding you for some time. Have faith, trust the universe, be patient, and wait for it. But don't get it into the negative mode. Keep doing your processes, keep doing your practices, so that your energy will high and you will manifest it. And then I shared with her one story, and it's the story of the Chinese bamboo. So anybody who heard the story of Chinese bamboo, it's there on our website awesomeizy.com, and I believe many of you must have read this story. But those who haven't read its story, I'll be telling this story. So the story of Chinese bamboo is like this. There is a particular breed of bamboo that exists in China and the Far East. That it's one of the tallest bamboo, but there is a peculiar thing about it, that when the farmers or whenever wherever you plant this Chinese bamboo, so initially you have to nurture it for 4 years, and during that 4 years the bamboo never grows outside the ground. You just know that okay, you have implanted there, and for 4 years you have to watering it, you have to nourishing it, you have to keep putting all those you have to keep taking its care, and you have to be absolutely patient, and you have to be absolutely trust the process, and you have to wait for 4 years. And all through those 4 years, in every season, you have to take care of the bamboo, that the seed that you have planted, and you have to be careful about it, how it's going to grow. And after 4 years, at the end of 4 years, something magic started happening. At the end of 4 years, within just 4 weeks of time, this Chinese bamboo shoot up from ground to the sky, and within just 4 weeks, it become 100 feet tall. 100 feet, it goes up to 100 feet in just 4 weeks of time. But how many years you waited for this bamboo to be ready for this moment is that you waited 4 years. So what this bamboo was doing for all those 4 years? This bamboo was spreading its root inside the soil for these 4 years. Because why? If this bamboo will shoot up for 100 feet, then it need to have that strength in its root, so that the root can hold it up, so that when it stands with 100 feet height, it won't lie down on the ground when there will be wind or when there will be a difficult season, so that it will stay there strong and stand tall and stand strongly and flexibly with flexibility. That is why all those 4 years was the bamboo tree was doing. The bamboo was spreading its root inside the ground, and only when the roots were ready, the roots were strong enough, that's the time where the bamboo shoot up in the sky. And in just 4 years, the bamboo grows reach the sky, and it grow 100 feet. So when the manifestation happened, did the manifestation happen in that 4 years, or the manifestation was happening all through the 4 years and 4 weeks? The answer is the manifestation was happening starting from the day they plant the seed till the time the bamboo reach 100 feet height. So the manifestation was keep happening for 4 years and next 4 weeks. But initial 4 years, the manifestation was happening inside the ground. And when it was ready fully to sustain the success, to sustain the height, to sustain the bamboo, it grows in the sky, and in just 4 weeks, it shoot up into the sky and it become 100 feet tall. So that's how for many times your dreams are like that. You put all the energy, you put all your drive, you put all your practices, you put everything into the universe, and you are positively doing everything, but maybe you don't see the physical manifestation happening in your life. And I shared this story with this girl, and she started following it, she started believing in it, and she kept doing the processes. And only yesterday she got this mail from the company, and she got her offer letter, and this time they have offered her a bigger salary than what they have discussed almost 8-9 months back. So at that point they have discussed with a particular salary, but because now they are offering her the offer letter, offering her the job, after around 8 to 9 months they are offering her a bigger salary, they are offering her a better position. So it's the magic of the universe. And during all through the 8-9 months, she had her times of negativity. There were times she felt like losing hope, there were times she felt like getting off track, but she did not do that. She thought that okay, no, I don't have to go off track. If I am doing everything, I trust the universe, I trust the law of attraction, and I trust the process, and it's going to work. So that's the key. All through these months, she kept doing the practices, she kept doing the processes, and at the end of 8 to 9 months, she got her dream job, and she got it in a much more better way, with a bigger position, with more salary, and that's the magic. So my friend, if you desire to manifest anything, you desire to manifest any of your dreams, but you are doing everything right, you are doing all the processes, you are trusting the universe, but still the physical manifestation is not happening, then don't be worried about it. Hold up to your dreams, hold up to your faith, trust the universe, and keep doing it. And keep focusing on your dreams. It's going to manifest for sure. Only thing, if it's getting delayed, the reason maybe the roots are not yet fully ready. Maybe the kind of success that you desire, you are not yet having the strength to enjoy it. Maybe the things that, the fruits that you want to have, the fruits are yet to be completely ripened so that you can enjoy it to fullest. So trust the universe and be patient absolutely as much as you can, and then you will realize that success is all yours. If you have done everything right, the universe is always working for you. If you got inspired from this story, and this story has really give you the energy to stay consistent, to stay focused on your dreams, then do click the heart button and spread some love and let other people know that yes, you believe in the universe, you believe in the magic. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.